Hello friends, welcome to Online Study for You. This is Pratik Srivastava here, your placement trainer, and our today's topic of discussion is problems on edges. As we know, in TCS NQT, there were many questions asked from the problems on edges, so we have taken this topic for today's. Now, let's start with the question number 1 and try to solve it here. So, my brother is 3 years elder to me. My father was 28 years of age when my sister was born, while my mother was 26 years of age when I was born. If my sister was 4 years of age when my brother was born, then what was the age of my father when my brother was born? So friends, this question is very simple. The only thing is we have to read step by step. So we saw in the question, father is there, and then mother is there, and then sister is there, and then brother is there, and myself. Okay, so this we will be able to understand. Don't worry, each and everything we will be able to understand. So let's read the question again. So my brother is 3 years elder to me. So when I am 0 years old, that time my brother is what? That time my brother will be what? 3 years old, right friends? See, my brother is 3 years elder to me. So when I am 0 years old, that time my brother will be 3 years old, right? Okay, 3 years elder to me. Now, so basically friends, this is not required to write this myself, but still I have written so that you will be getting the better clarity of the solution. My father was 28 years of age when my sister was born. So when my sister was born means what? 0 years old. That time my father was 28 years of old. So my father was 28 years of old. So friends, you see, I am writing each and everything here so that I again don't have to read the same thing. Right? Okay. Now my father was 28 years of age when my sister was born, while my mother was 26 years of age when I was born. So when I was born, that time my mother was what? That time my mother was 26 years of old. So till here it is clear. If my sister was 4 years of age when my brother was born. So when my brother was born, that time my sister was 4 years old. So when my brother was born, when my brother was 0 years, that time my sister was 4 years. When my brother will become 3 years, means increasing by 3, that time my sister age will also increase by 3. So my sister will become 7 years of old, right? 7 years of age. So if my sister was 4 years of age when my brother was born, then what was the age of my father when my brother was born? So what was the age of my father when my brother was born? So basically we have to calculate this. We have to calculate this field. What is the age of my father when my brother was born? So see, when sister is 0 years old, that time father is 28 years of old. When sister age will increase by 4 years, that time the father age will also increase by 4 years. So father was 32 years of old when my brother was born. So the answer for this question will be option D. So father was 32 years of old when my brother was born. So friends, this question is very simple. If you want, I can explain you once more. See, my brother is 3 years elder to me. So when I was born, that time my brother was 3 years of old. My father was 28 years of age when my sister was born. So when my sister was born, that time my father was 28 years of age. And my mother was 26 years of age when I was born. So when I was born, my mother was 26 years of age. So all the data I am writing here and simply I will get the answer. Nothing has to be done in this question. If my sister was 4 years of age when my brother was born. So when my brother was born, that time my sister was 4 years of old. When my brother is becoming 3 years old, then my sister will become 4 plus 3, 7 years of age. Then what was the age of my father when my brother was born? So when your brother was born, that time the sister was 4 years. See, when sister was 0 years old, that time father 28. When sister will be 4, that time father will be 32 years of old. So this kind of question, friend, you can expect in your this year exam, TCS NQT phase 2 exam. Now moving towards the question number 2. So friends, question number 2 is also an important question. Let's see how we are going to solve this. So the ratio of ages of A and B. The ratio of ages of A and B is 5:x. See, problem and ages question, whatever has been told in the question, just write it down the data first, then automatically you will be able to get idea. So the ratio of ages of A and B is 5:x, or A by B is equal to, I can write 5 divided by x. Now, A is 18 years younger to C. After 9 years, C will be 47 years old. So after 9 years, after 9 years, C will become what? 47 years old. So what is C age today? So after 9 years, C will become 47 years of old. So what is C present age today? So 47 minus 9. So 17 minus 9 is 8, 38. So C is now today is 38 years of old. So friends, whatever has been told in the question, the same data I am writing it here. Now A is 18 years younger to C. So A is 18 years younger to C. So what is C age? C age is 38 and A is 18 years younger to C. That means A will become 20 years old. So friends, I will write here A age is 20 years old and C age is 38 years old. Now, if the difference between the ages of A and B is same as the C. So if the difference between the ages of A and B is same as C. Friends, you can ask me, sir, the difference of A and B, we can write it like this also. So let's see what happens actually. So B age will be equal to C plus A. So the difference between B and A age is same as the age of C. So B minus A will be equal to C. So B will be equal to C plus A. So B is equal to C is what? 38. C is what? 38 plus 38 plus A is 20. So B age will become 58. Now friends, if you'll see A is equals to B plus C. So B is what? B we have to calculate actually. So B will become A minus C. So A is 20 and 20 minus 18. B age will become 38. So B age will become minus 18, which is wrong. So the difference we have taken B minus A. The reason is if you will take A minus B, then we will get the age negative. So that is wrong here, friends. Now the age of B also I got. The age of B also I got 58. Now friends, you see A by B is equals to 5 by X. Now A is equals to 20, B is equals to 58 is equals to 5 by X. Now 5 4 ja and X will be equal to 58 divided by 4, and if we will try to divide 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16 and 4 5 ja 20, so 14.5. So what is the value of X? So the value of X is nothing but 14.5. So option C will be the correct answer for question number 2. Question number 3 is, friends, is equally important question. So let's see how we are going to tackle this question. So now a couple has a son and a daughter. So a couple has a son and daughter. So you can say couple means father will be there, and then a mother will be there, and then daughter will be there, and then son will be there, right? Okay, because a couple has a son and a daughter. So mother will be there, father will be there, son will be there, and daughter will be there. The age of the father is 4 times that of the son. So friends, I can write here the age of the father is 4 times of the son age, and the age of the daughter is 1/3 of her mother age. So age of the daughter is 1/3 of the mother age. The wife is 6 years younger to her husband. So wife is nothing but mother, we have denoted here. So mother is nothing but 6 years younger to her husband, and the sister is 3 years older than her brother. So sister is nothing but 3 years older than her brother. So S is equal to D minus 3. So if you will subtract 3 from the daughter age, then you will be getting the son age. So this is what is the equations in the form of equations. See, here I have assumed father age is F, mother age is M, daughter age is D, and the son age is S, and the son age is S. Okay, and then the fourth information is given in the question. Based on that, we have to solve this question. Nothing else has been given in the question. So what has been asked to you? The mother age is. Now friends, you see this, M will be equal to what? M will be equal to 3D. M will be equal to what? 3D. Now D will be equal to what? So D, if you will see, D will be equal to S plus 3. Now this I can write 3S plus 9. S will be what? F by 4. S will be what? F by 4. So 3F by 4. See, basically what I am trying to do is, see, M is equals to this. So this also I will convert in terms of M. So M and M, we will be getting a relation, or will be getting an answer. So S will be F by 4 plus 9. Okay, now F will be equal to what? M plus 6. So 3 into M plus 6 divided by 4 plus 9. Now friends, so this I can write 3 by 4 M plus 3 into 6, 3 by 4 into 6 plus 9. This is equals to what? This is equals to what? M. Now if we'll further simplify this, then 3 by 4 M plus 2 2 ja and 2 3 ja. So 9 by 2 plus 9. Now friends, you see here M and here 3 by 4 M. So M minus 3 by 4 of M will be equal to, if we'll take LCM, LCM will be 2, 9 plus 18. So this will become 27 by 2. Now friends, if we'll take the LCM, then 4M minus 3M will be M by 4 is equals to 27 by 2. And you can see this is 2 times, then the mother age will be 27 into 2 is nothing but 54 years. Is nothing but 54 years, and that's what you have to calculate. So option C will be the correct answer. So friends, see, I cannot say what exact kind of questions will come in exam, but yes, see, these are the concept based questions. These are the concept based questions which you can expect in your exam. So the data will be there. From the data only we'll have to find out the answer. So this was a easy question based on that. And if we'll talk about age, what you have to keep in mind is, if suppose present age is X, then after 5 years, the age will be X plus 5. If the present age is X, then before 5 years, the age was X minus 5. So this is your basics of the age. And now second thing they can say, after 5 years, the father age will be 2 times of the mother age. So after 5 years, friends, if father age is increasing, then mother age will also increase by M plus 5. So after 5 years, the father age will be 2 times of the mother age. So this will be the correct equation which we have to solve. So friends, I hope you got the concept and the clarity about the problems on ages, and this kind of questions will be coming to your exam. So focus on the concept and you can definitely do it in the exam. This is Pratik Srivastava here, and I wish you all the best for your TCS NQT exam. Thank you. Difficult. So question number one is taken from the problems on ages topic. And 3rd of August, the TCS NQT exam was held, and in that this question was asked. Now the difference between the ages of 2 of my 3 grandchildren is 3. So from here you can say the number of grandchildren is 3, right? Okay, G1, G2, G3, right? Okay, my elder grandchildren is 3 times older than the age of my youngest grandchild, and my youngest grandchild is 2 years more than the age of my 2 youngest grandchild added together. How old is my eldest grandchild? So after reading the question, don't get confused, friends. Do it one by one. You will be able to solve it. So G1, we will assume that G1 is youngest and G3 is the eldest grandchild. Okay. Now the difference between the ages of 2 of my 3 grandchildren is 3. My elder grandchild is 3 times elder than the age of my youngest grandchild. So this one you take. So elder one is what? Elder one is G3. So elder one is 3 times of the younger one, right? Okay, so this we can write it from here. Then, and my eldest grandchild is 2 years more than the age of my 2 youngest grandchild added together. So 2 years more than the 2 of the youngest children is added together, right? Okay, now they are telling the difference between the age of 2 of them is 3. So maybe G1 G2 or G2 G1. So any 2 of them, the age difference is what? Any 2 of them, the age difference is 3 years old. Now what I am going to do, I am going to use option attack. Right? Okay. So option attack, you can see here they are asking the how old is my eldest grandchild. So they are asking the age of the eldest grandchild, that is nothing but G3. Now G3 is 3 times of the G1. So you can see option A and you can see option D. Option A, 10 is not 3 times of any number, right? Okay. See, 10 is not a factor of 3. 10 is not a factor of 3. So option A will be eliminated because G3 age is 3 times of G1. So 10 is not a factor of 3. Option A eliminated. Then 13. 13 is also not a factor of 3. Then the option D is also eliminated. Friends, after writing down whatever has given in the question, my 2 option is simply eliminated. Now I have 2 option. Out of that one will be correct. So let's take one option. So I am taking the eldest grandchild age is 15 years. So if this option will be correct, then option B will automatically become false. If option C will be false, then option B will automatically become correct. So two options we have already filtered, two options already we have eliminated, because this is not a factor of 3 and they are clearly telling the eldest son is 3 times of the youngest one, right friends? Okay, now G3 is this, then what will become G1 age? So G1 age will become 5 years, right? Okay, see, G1 will become 5 years, then only 5 into 3 will be 15 years, right friends? So we got G1, we got G3. Now G3 is what? G3 age is 2 years more than both of their age, 2 years more than both of their age, right friends? Okay, now G3 what we have got? G3 we have got 15, 2 plus G1 is what? G1 is 5 plus G2. So from here G2 will be equal to what? 15 minus 7, and 15 minus 7 will be equal to what? 15 minus 7 will be equal to what? 8, right? Okay, see, 2 plus 5, G1 is 5, and G2 if you calculate, then G2 will be 15 minus 5 plus 2 is 7, which is nothing but equal to 8. Now friends, G1 is what? G1 we have got 5, G2 we have got 8, and G3 we have got 15. So see, the first equation, yes, it is satisfied. Second one, we have calculated G2. Now the difference between two of the grandchildren is 3. Is it 3? 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. That means whatever the option C 15 you have selected is correct. So by using the common sense only, I am able to solve this question. For solving this question, no need of writing down the equation and solving it. Two equations simply eliminated, and then option C. I can easily put it and then get the answer. So it is following all those things. Eldest son is 3 times of the youngest one, and then the difference between two of the grandchildren is 3. That is also correct. And then G3 is nothing but 2 years more than sum of their ages. So 8 plus 5, 3, 15. 15 is equals to 15. All 3 is correct. Using option C, we have got the answer. So this was such a easy question, and if you have not done in the exam, then it is very much bad. Your concept is not clear. You need to learn how to solve the questions of the aptitude.